fire service of today is never changing but steeped in traditions, over 200 years old. One such tradition is the sound of a bell. Historically, the toll of the bell summoned members to the fire station, signaled the beginning of the shift, notified departments for a call for help, and indicated when the call was complete and they could return to the fire station. We utilize these traditions as a symbol, which reflect honor and respect for all those who have given so much and have served so well. To symbolize and commemorate the dedication of our new fire apparatus, a special signal of 3 rings, 3 times each, represents the dedication to the fire service. So we gather today to memorialize and dedicate Engine 172 to the City of Avondale to provide services for our citizens that we truly love and care for. Round of applause.